Hi, I'm Eoin Cleary. I'm farming here in partnership with my parents, John, Joe and Kathy, milking just under 90 pedigree Holstein and Friesian cows for the past 5 years. Primarily for mastitis, we would use a combination of the Ark Flash Bolus and the Ark Napa anti-inflammatory bolus. We find that works really well with cows in the first to fifth lactation with no prior mastitis issues. Also think that it works well with the animals that have been treated maybe with prescribed medication, but they're not fully recovering. We would pump cows with a Pro-Cud solution to give them a boost in rumination and get them back on their feet. So an add-on benefit of using that in conjunction with Smaxtec is that you can actually look at their graph and see the rumination rising and seeing if the treatment is working well. The benefit is that the milk is going straight into the tank as opposed to keeping it aside. But I do think that overall it's kind of getting the health of the animal back as quickly as possible, and having the Smaxtec then to see is the treatment working. It's clear that we have to move away from overusing antibiotics. So having a product like this, an alternative, high effective product like this, like Ark, definitely has reduced the number of mastitis tubes and injections that we had to give to cows over the last year. I suppose the Smaxtec system, what really attracted to us was the internal reading on temperature, and the calving alerts were something that really attracted us to it. I suppose particularly in using Smaxtec health alerts, getting real-time information straight to your phone in relation to the temperature and rumination and water intake is really helpful this year. Getting the alert of a sick animal before they even come into the milking parlour, we can check her out, draft her, and then treat her accordingly. And this year we've kind of been using our products as a first go-to product. I think that having that early detection with Smaxtec and having that information allows you to treat the animal before she gets sicker, and having given the non-milk withdrawal product, you can get her back on her feet and keep her going.